Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find home screen right here. Let's tap on it. On the second position we've got system navigation, so just tap, and here we've got two different options. Of course, here we've got the gestures, and basically to set them we have to tap on this animation. But before I will do it, I'd like to talk a little bit about the buttons, because if you will decide that you want to stick with the buttons, you can basically customize them here. So you can mirror the buttons, you can change the position of the back button and the recents, you can set some button shortcuts, or you can automatically disable navigation buttons. It's up to you. It's worth knowing that you've got some options thanks to which you can customize this navigation type. So let's set the gestures. First of all, let's tap on it. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial and to learn how to use the gestures. I don't want to do that because I already know how to use them. What is more, I will also show you how to use the gestures. So here again we've got some options thanks to which we can customize the gestures. We've got high full screen indicator, because as you can see, instead of those three buttons we've got this line which will be responsible for particular gestures and the actions. However, I prefer to have a clean screen without the line, so let me turn on this option. Not now, and as you can see it will disappear. However, it will work the same. We've got also the gesture confirmation, and it will appear sometimes, for example when you're watching a video or playing game, because sometimes you will have to like double your gesture in order to confirm it. Usually it will be a back button, back gesture, sorry. You can also turn on the option swipe up from the corner to for Google Assistant. I don't want to turn it on. Alright, and here you've got the demos of the gestures. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that, until you'll see this arrow. And after releasing the finger, you will be able to come back. The same situation from the right side. So it doesn't really matter from which you want to get back. If you want to get back directly to the home page, then all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short movement and quite quick movement, just like that. And as you can see, here we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents, we have to repeat the movement, kind of, because we also have to swipe from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your finger somewhere here on the screen, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the gesture navigation in your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.